Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to scam NFTs on Opensea. I'm going to use Divine Anarchy as an example, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is do a simple search of the thing. So I own these three, and pretty much what you want to aim for is to be in the search bar. Being in the search bar lets you be seen by people that are trying to mint. You either have that option, or when people search for Divine Anarchy, to be in the top 10, because when people search it, your NFT will show up. So you have two options: to be in the search bar, or to be shown when they search into the marketplace here. Okay. So what I found it to be more effective is being in the search bar. Tend to get more people falling for the trick instead of here being only able to sell 10. I've been selling heaps doing this method, and I'll show you an example of how I do it. So I'm using this as an example. I'm not putting the actual name of Divine Anarchy just to protect myself and so that this collection does not get banned. So yeah, I'll show you how I do it and the process of creating 1,000 or 2,000 plus collections. It's actually more difficult doing this by hand, so I just use a basic macro to do this. By the way, if you also want more tips on how to do this, I always have a Discord channel that explains it more in depth. I always have other packages of better scams, way more effective. Yeah, I only use this sometimes because it is fun to do, but it is more time consuming. But it also does deliver results. So yeah, right. So here it is. I have a Google Sheets thing on the right, and I have mini mouse macro. If you want to download this, you can just search it up, or it'll be in the description, or probably on my Discord channel. So first thing you want to do is you want to add item. You need these three. So you need a GIF of what you're trying to sell. You can probably find someone that's already made it, or you can just make it by going onto the Discord of the NFT project, grabbing some pictures, because usually they send out sneak peeks, and you can just easily just save those and make it into a GIF by EasyGIF. EasyGIF can do that really easily. So yeah, once you do that, save the image, create a collection. I'm just using this key test as a placeholder for now, which I'll change like maybe an hour before the mint. And this is how we start the process. So yeah, I'll definitely make a more in-depth guide of this, but I'm just showing you this quickly. And yeah, this is a very simple guide. I'll go more in depth later on, make more videos on this. So after that, okay, so I'm gonna finally show you now and stop talking so much. So the script, you want to press F8 to start the macro. To record the macro, sorry, press add item, click on this. You want to name the GIF 1, so it's much easier. And press enter. You want to go here, click, Control C, down. Oh, I'm really at the bottom. That doesn't matter. For this example, but I'm going to paste it, tab. Don't even worry about the description, no one cares. Tab until you reach create, and that's when you go to create. Oh, press enter. You want to wait. I'll go through the timing of this macro soon. Then you just want to click here, then click there, and then press F10 to stop the macro. Stop recording the macro. Alright, so this is the timing. You don't need this to be very slow, so you just want to do 350 milliseconds. Another 350. This can be 200. This can be 350. This can be 350. I know I'm going a bit fast, but as I said, I'll explain this more in another video. I just want to show and document my process of Divine Anarchy and how I did it. Because I actually do pull pretty decent results with this. I made around 150k in maybe 1.5 months just through this method. So yeah. Yeah, we can do this as maybe 100. Yeah. Down can be, I'll make it 102. 450, and this is usually very similar for each time you do it. It'll be very similar, so you can just copy these if you want for now. Enter, just make it 100. Then left click down. That's when you're waiting for it to create. I'll just do 5,600 and 450. I think it's not optimized greatest, but right now I'll just show as an example. Alright, it should work now. I think the time is just really long, but yeah, that's how it works. And then you can just leave this for a couple hours, and you'll be able to create a legitimate looking collection. I messed up. I just haven't done the times for it, but yeah, you guys get the idea. So I would say this method is effective for people that want to start out. There's not much. Okay, I would say that this method of scamming isn't difficult, and it is pretty effective for people that want to start out. You just have to make your collection look legit. Scamming is an art, and you're trying to manipulate people to buy something that's legit. So you have to do all these links. You have to make this look legit. Yeah, make everything. In terms of effectiveness in getting money and stealing money, I would give it maybe a 3 out of 10. There's way more effective methods that I have. If you guys want to invest in yourself, I am 100% legit. I do not want to scare people that are part of my community. As I said, also have service results, shows evidence of anything. I promise I will actually refund you. So yeah, I don't know. People already joined here. I want to scam my ex. Yeah. So there are different variations of this and much better scams in my opinion, like creating fake minting websites that I can also set up for you guys if you want. You just gotta purchase it, and I think my prices are actually really affordable. So yeah, I think I showed you pretty much everything. I'll give you guys, maybe show you some results after this mint if everything goes well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.